Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Epoxy Concrete Patch is probably one of the most versatile and durable solutions available for repairing cracks, spalls, and holes in concrete surfaces, offering a professional-grade finish that can withstand heavy traffic and harsh environmental conditions, making it an indispensable tool for homeowners and professionals alike seeking long-lasting concrete restoration. Number 5. Rust-Oleum Concrete Patch and Repair. Tired of cracks and holes in your concrete surfaces? Our powerful epoxy is designed to fix them permanently, both indoors and outdoors. This two-part, industrial-strength formula creates a bond that won't shrink or crack over time. It's built to last. Get back to your project quickly. It cures fast with no unpleasant odors, and you can paint or coat it in just 8 hours. Experience a surface that's incredibly hard and durable. It's engineered to be stronger than the concrete itself. No matter your finishing plans, this versatile product is compatible with any concrete coating. It's the universal solution you need. What we like. This product offers a two-part epoxy formula that permanently bonds concrete without shrinking or cracking. It cures quickly and can be painted or coated in just 8 hours, creating an extremely hard surface. If you're looking for a fast and durable repair for indoor or outdoor concrete cracks and holes, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is a great choice for repairing cracks and holes in concrete floors. It dries quickly and forms a durable patch that can withstand heavy traffic. The epoxy formula provides excellent adhesion and resistance to chemicals and oil. Number 4. PC Products Concrete Epoxy Adhesive Paste. Introducing a powerful two-part epoxy adhesive paste designed for concrete. It's perfect for filling cracks and anchoring essential hardware. This versatile adhesive securely anchors threaded rods, bolts, and dowels into various masonry surfaces. It provides a strong and lasting bond. Its high-tack paste formula resists moisture, making it ideal for damp environments. You can even use it on vertical surfaces with confidence. Whether indoors or outdoors, this product performs. It can be applied in temperatures ranging from 35 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. With a 20-minute work time and a 4-hour cure time at 75 degrees Fahrenheit, you can complete projects efficiently. It meets ASTM C881-99 standards. What we like. This two-part epoxy adhesive paste is designed for filling cracks and anchoring threaded rods or bolts into concrete. Its high-tack nature resists moisture, making it suitable for damp environments and vertical applications. If you need a robust solution for anchoring or repairing concrete in challenging conditions, this product is ideal. What people say. This product is a great solution for repairing cracks and holes in concrete floors. It dries quickly and creates a strong, durable patch that can withstand heavy traffic. The application is straightforward, making it easy for DIYers to achieve professional results. Number 3. Akona Epoxy Crack Repair. Introducing Akona Epoxy Crack Repair, the versatile solution for all your concrete and brick repair needs. It's designed for easy, mess-free application, making repairs simple. This powerful formula creates repairs stronger than concrete itself. It effectively stops both air and water leaks, ensuring lasting durability for your foundations and structures. Tired of unsightly repairs? Our product is clear in color, allowing it to seamlessly blend in with your existing surfaces. You get strong repairs that are virtually invisible. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, on horizontal surfaces or vertical ones, this repair solution is up to the task. It handles interior and exterior repairs with ease. Beyond just cracks, it's perfect for securing railings, bolts, and rebar. Its multi-purpose nature makes it an essential tool for a wide range of repair projects. We've designed this product for ultimate convenience. Its mess-free application means you can tackle repairs efficiently without the usual hassle. What we like. This injectable crack filler is a clear liquid epoxy resin that blends in with existing surfaces. Its mess-free design makes application easy, and it's strong enough to stop air and water leaks. If you're dealing with foundational cracks, brick repairs, or need to stop leaks with a discreet finish, this is the product for you. What people say. This product is very easy to use and provides a strong, durable patch. The Epoxy Concrete Patch adhered well to the existing concrete and dried to a hard finish. It filled cracks and holes effectively, restoring the surface to a smooth, level finish. Number 2. QuestMark 2110 Epoxy Concrete Floor Patch and Resurfacer. Introducing the QuestMark 2110, your premier solution for heavy-duty concrete floor repair. It's engineered to fill and mend cracks, holes, and spalling with exceptional strength and wear resistance. This specially formulated epoxy patch is designed to withstand constant use, including vehicular loads and heavy foot traffic. It's perfect for busy warehouses, garages, and industrial facilities. Experience unmatched protection against dropped tools and heavy objects with its superior impact resistance. Its engineered abrasion resistance prevents wear from friction and dragging, maintaining a professional look. This versatile solution acts as both a patch and a resurfacer. It repairs damaged areas, creating a level surface that restores both the structural integrity and aesthetic appeal of your worn floors. As our top-selling concrete repair solution, the CM2110 has a proven track record of success in thousands of commercial and industrial projects nationwide. You can rely on its performance. Apply it easily to a thickness of 1/8 to 1/4 inch for optimal results. It offers a convenient pot life, can be recoated quickly, and is ready for light foot traffic in just 14 to 16 hours. What we like. This heavy-duty epoxy concrete floor patch and resurfacer is engineered for extreme durability. It's specially formulated to withstand vehicular loads and heavy foot traffic, offering superior impact and abrasion resistance. If you need to repair and resurface floors in high-traffic areas like warehouses or garages, this product ensures long-lasting integrity. What people say. This product is a great solution for filling cracks and holes in concrete floors. It dries quickly and creates a strong, durable patch that can withstand heavy traffic. The application is straightforward, making it easy for DIYers to achieve professional results. Number 1. QUIKRETE 8.6-ounce Epoxy Concrete Repair. Introducing a powerful solution for your concrete repair needs. This product offers a reliable and long-lasting fix for cracks and damage. Designed for convenience, its application is straightforward. Get professional results with minimal effort. Experience exceptional strength and resilience after application. It's built to withstand tough conditions. Proudly manufactured in the United States. You can trust in its quality and origin. This repair solution comes in a convenient size, making it easy to store and handle. Perfect for various repair jobs. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of concrete repair tasks. Tackle any project with confidence. What we like. This epoxy concrete repair product offers a straightforward solution for patching and mending concrete surfaces. It provides a durable finish and is designed for ease of use. If you're a DIYer looking for a reliable and simple way to fix concrete cracks and holes around your home, this is a solid option. What people say. This product is great for filling cracks and holes in concrete. It dries quickly and creates a strong, durable patch. The patch blends in well with the surrounding concrete, making it almost invisible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.